Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a new bag that I wanted to try because it just seemed cool to me, and it is called Framed. It's a t-shirt club, and it is a subscription bag from Framed by Sarah. And she also has, she has a box that is on the Framed by Sarah website, and I want to say it's like home decor or something like that. I know that it seems like, gosh, you don't know enough about it, but I know about this. I like t-shirts, and so especially like t-shirts with like, you know, little sayings on them that are cute and everything. That's totally like right up my alley. So I wanted to give this a go and see how I would like it. And so this is the first one. I want to say it's like $25 a month, and that includes the shipping. So let's just see what it's about. Let's see what it's going to be for this month. Every month, you get a t-shirt, and she has, she designs one like for every month. And, okay. So let me cut this open. And seriously, I'm assuming I'm just going to pull a t-shirt out and that's it. Oh, but that's not it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this makes me very happy because y'all know me and like the stationery and stuff. There is a sticker inside that says choose joy. Sarah, you got me right there. Also, I love stickers, and I love them whenever they have positive things on them like that. I just love it. And she also has a little sticker inside for her company, which that's pretty smart. And these are nice vinyl stickers. I always like to say that too, because to me, those are like, they're excellent quality and they'll last a long time. So I love that. Okay, now this is just me, but I wouldn't put an invoice in it. I don't know. That's just me. I kind of like, in my opinion, and this is, listen, this is just me. Maybe you like having an invoice in it. That's cool beans. For me, it's like when I get something, even if I've like bought it on Etsy or something like that, I personally like just getting the item, because then it just feels like there's a gift for me. Not, here's what you paid. I kind of want to forget about that part. I don't know. It's just a me thing. Anyway, I'm still loving this. Believe me, I'm loving it because I'm looking at the shirt and I'm loving. Here we go. Here it is. It also says choose joy, and I am very happy with this. I'm not sure that the color does excellent things for me, but I'll be honest with you, I really don't care because I love the choose joy. I totally love that. I love the rainbow, love the little heart. I love that I'm going to have a matching sticker. This is really great. I'm very happy with this. I don't know if t-shirts are something that you guys are into. I can just say personally, I am. I love t-shirts. So I am a t-shirt gal. I'm going to give you guys all the info down below just in case you're interested. I'll also give you a little more information about the other side of what she does, because I want to say it's home decor. You guys would probably love that. That's kind of like not a me thing. I'm not into, like, in my mind, a lot of times if it's something that I'm not choosing myself, I just consider it clutter. I know that sounds horrible, but that's just me. But the t-shirts, I have boxes and boxes and boxes of t-shirts, so go figure. I'm just weird. We all have something. So anyway, I'll give you guys all the information. Let me know what you think. Are you a t-shirt girl, or are you more with the home decor? I'll give you all the info either way, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Thank you so much for watching.